sometimes certain characters, they got like that special move. Like one could elongate their legs, one could... I want mine to be specifically where I kick you in the nuts. So when I put on this suit, you know, it didn't really bother me when I put the sensor, but when I put this suit on, like first, it's extremely uncomfortable to put on. I don't know why this suit is making my ass look so flat. I guess because I have this. Y'all gonna cut this off, right?
We're gonna fix the virtual ass. How about that?
All right, I want to look curvy.
Cool.
Sexy.
What's good, angels? It's your girl, EarthAngel, naturally, all up on your screen with another episode of DSession. Welcome back to another episode of DSession, guys. Now, this episode is gonna be a little bit different because you are only receiving an audio from me. I know you guys are used to seeing my beautiful face, but unfortunately, I will not have the time to actually go in studio to film this episode right now, but I need to get you guys this content because it is hilarious. Now, you all know I love Cardi B. You know I love me some Cardi B. I've reacted to songs from Cardi B already on this channel. Cardi B was one of the first reactions that actually got me over 500 views. So I love me some Cardi B. I am an official executive member of the Bardi Gang, if you were not aware. Now, I really just had to come on here and let you guys know that Cardi B is now a Jamaican. Cardi B has been officially awarded the same honorary Jamaican award that we gave to Rihanna. Cardi B has now received it. Because anytime Cardi B turn up or do any form of excitement, dancehall music involved, like she is just so supportive of the culture, it is not even funny, and I just love her so much. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I took the liberty of going on her social media and I saw a few stories where she's on vacation with Offset, her team, of course, and Kulture. And of course, she captioned it saying that Offset encouraged her to take some time off because she's been working really hard. She just released her single and music video for her song Up, which is shelling the world. As a matter of fact, I think they are number 5 trending even out here in Jamaica. Yes. So she took some time off to just have a zen moment with her husband, her daughter, and her team. And first of all, she looked good. See a couple picture here. She look really good. Them look like a real nice, clean skin couple. Yes. And Kulture just act as usual. But I just found it so fascinating that yet again she is celebrating to dancehall music. On her birthday on October 17th last year, she spent the whole night partying to dancehall music. The birthday a year before that, when them book out this mansion somewhere in America, dancehall music again was the vibe. So Cardi B is definitely an honorary Jamaican. At this point, I salute you, Cardi B. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the culture. I'm going to talk to Andrew Owen and see if him can get your visa and your passport and everything down patty. Citizenship. You get where I come from? Because Rihanna get fair one already, you know. Rihanna get fair one to the point when not even the Bayesian them come like them owner no more. The Bayesian them this one. Rihanna is not Jamaican. So we think we have to adapt Cardi B as well, because Cardi B is just a support the culture non-stop. So in case you guys did not see these clips, here are a few clips of Cardi B on vacation with Offset and Kulture and her team. And we will come back after she just close out the video.
Baby girl, make me show you the highlight. Introduce you to starlight. You are roll with a real G. So
This ain't no Miami waves, bro. This shit is moving.
Take me Finesse.
That's for this for me?
It's to me.
Oh, thank you. It's a flower.
You're so nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I have a kiss? Please? Have a kiss?
It's all.
Can I have a
Thanks.
kiss? Can I have a
No,
kiss?
no.
Can I have a kiss?
It's me.
Thank you.
No love? No loving for me? There it is. Come here. Can I have a kiss? You gonna poke your lips out and I give it to me? Please?
Chico.
Please? Thank you.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, Culture.
Now I'm tell you already, you know. I don't know how Cartel the man should repost them here back, you know. I say Shorty share it in our story with one of them when she done listen to Cartel and you could hear the Cartel song playing in the background and Shorty captured it and say your ear will play. But I don't know how Vibes Cartel not post this on him Instagram yet or whoever is in control of that Instagram page. I don't know how them don't take it and repost it yet because a whole heap of Cartel play, a whole heap of my father that play to some. I don't know how my father take it and repost it yet. It come like them don't know about it. But let me know in the comment section down below what you guys thought about it. Wouldn't I think Cardi B deserve like an honorary Jamaican citizenship at this point? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel. If you're a fan of dancehall, this is the place that you need to be. We post videos like this every single week where we go over dancehall news and reviews, all things dancehall we do here on DSession. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell also so that you can get a post notification shout out. I know I haven't done a post notification shout out in a while, but honestly that's because, guys, it's a new thing that I'm doing here on DSession and sometimes I really just don't remember. So I will definitely remember to do the post notification shout out in my next episode of DSession. I won't be able to do it in this episode, but you know what, no one I'm gonna do it. Let me see if we can look who comment on the last video quick and fast and just give you a post notification shout out. Now if you guys want to be selected for the post notification shout out, all you have to do is comment on the video Dancehall Global, and the first person to leave a comment like that will definitely get a post notification shout out. Now this episode post notification shout out goes to Patrick Smith. Now Patrick Smith was the first person to comment on the most recent episode of DSession. Big up yourself, Patrick Smith. Remember, guys, to also comment hashtag Dancehall Global because that is the energy that we are pushing for 2021. Dancehall is ideally Jamaican, but dancehall is global as well. We cannot deny that. So hashtag Dancehall Global. And remember, guys, to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All links are in the description bar down below. Until next time, angels, walk good. All the beautiful people out there in the world. Bye, angels.
Big bag, bustin' out the belly band. Take a man, Balenciaga brought it back, and all these bitches fuck. It's big bags, bustin' out the belly band.